because it's rare today on the 12th of March 2024. This elevator was also built in late 1992 by Kone Novel Elements fixtures, finished in 1993. The capacity is 4 berths, so 325 grams. This is so malfunctioning, doesn't work.
Yeah.
This number is 67459, and this will also deserve 3 rights actually.
Yeah.
Because it's rare. It's going to be inspected next year, 2025. Just lacks this green star for one. But I think only the ones from the beginning of 1993 got this green star.
Yeah, quite strange.
Yes. But strangely, not the ones from late 1992.
Yeah.
Now we can turn on the lights in here.
Yeah. No, they are automatic. Speedbike was maintained by Kone.
Yeah. Third line. Nobody is coming.
Yeah, you can press.
Of course. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. The mistake is I was locked like without any code or
Yeah.
anything. We got this one. But here it was open in the daytime.
That's